Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change the clock size on your iPhone lock screen in iOS 26. Alright, let's begin. First, unlock your iPhone, then press and hold the lock screen to enter the wallpaper editing mode. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. Next, tap Customize. Tap the clock to open the customization menu. To adjust the clock size, make sure you're using the first font style, as the size slider is currently only available with that font. You can also change the clock color if you'd like. Now, use the size slider that appears in the corner of the screen. Drag it up to make the clock larger or down to make it smaller until you get the size you want. Once you're happy with the result, tap Done to save your changes. If pressing and holding the lock screen doesn't open the editor, you can also go to Settings, Wallpaper, select your current wallpaper, and tap Customize. From there, follow the same steps to adjust the clock size using the size slider. After saving your changes, lock your iPhone to preview the new clock size on your lock screen. So that's basically how you can change the clock size on your iPhone lock screen in iOS 26. That's it for this video. Thanks.